name is Giselle and I am 20 years old. Before I start, I just want to have a few minutes of your time to explain why hiring me as an intern will benefit your company. I am a current student at University of Baguio pursuing Bachelor of Science major in Tourism Management with a specialization in International Tourism.
First of all, I'm a fast learner, flexible, independent worker but can work with others for the betterment of the company. Able to multitask on a regular basis. I have the ability to work under pressure. I am eager to learn about new things. Lastly, being late is not my hobby.
I am also capable of using Canva, Microsoft Office application, and Google Drive. Moreover, I can use Google Sheets via lookup to design question and answer. I can speak in English. I can speak in Nihongo. Minasan, konnichiwa. Watashi wa Giselle kensai desu. Ni jusai desu. My passions are volunteering, embrace different cultural differences while traveling, uplifting others, sports.
Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "Ability is nothing without opportunity." So, opportunity gives us a chance to prove ourselves. Please don't hesitate to contact me here. You can check my e-portfolio for additional information. Have a good day and God bless.